Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now the next code for doubly linked list is insertion node at a tail or insertion of a node at the end of the doubly linked list. Okay, so I request you, if you haven't gone through the code of creation of a node in doubly linked list, because we are using that function over here. So the link for creation of a node is in the description box. So without wasting much of the time, let's start with the code for inserting node at the end of the doubly linked list. So for that purpose, we have taken the function that is void insert at end, and it also takes one parameter. That value will be taken from the main function. Okay. So suppose data is having a value 20 and it is received from main function. I have also provided video for the main function in the description box, so kindly go through it. So let's consider that the value of data is 20. Okay, so here we will call the function create node, which takes the value data as a parameter. Here data takes the value 20 taken from this data. Okay, so this function will return a single node that will be created, and it will look like this node. So its data part contain 20 value, and its both pointers will be assigned to or initialized as null. Okay, because we have created a single node. So here we have received a single node named as new underscore node. Okay, so I have written here the new underscore node. Okay, so while inserting node at the tail, first we have to check whether linked list is existing or not. Okay, or so for that purpose we have checked to first condition, that is if tail is equal to null, because if we have single node in the linked list, then head is equal to tail. Okay, that will be the condition. And if we have the total linked list, then tail will not be null. But if we don't have the linked list to exist, then in that case we have tail as null. Okay, so first we will check that whether the tail is present or not. So if tail is equal to null, then the inserting node will act as a new head as well as tail. Okay, so this new inserting node that is returned from the function create node, okay, so that will get assigned as head as well as tail. Okay, so for that purpose we have used here assignment operator, and new node will get assigned as head first time, and it is also assigned as a tail because previously we don't have a doubly linked list to exist. So new inserting node will act as both head as well as tail node. Okay, so this will be the condition. If this is not the condition, if we have we have single node, then in that case we have the else part to execute. Okay, so if this is not the condition, then it will go in the else part. So we have to make some of the changes in the pointers of the last node present in the linked list. Okay, so suppose consider that, so this is the tail node in the already existing linked list. So now we have to add this single node at the end of the linked list. Means what we have to change here, so the tail's next, so we have to change here. So new node's previous field will store the address of already existing tail node. Okay, so how that will be assigned? So new node's previous field will store the address of tail node. Okay, so that's why we have copied the address of tail node in the field of new node tends to previous. Okay, so here this assignment will be done. So this will store the address of tail node. Okay, now next we have to change the next field of tail node to save the address of new node. Okay, because in doubly linked list we have 2 pointers. Okay, so this will get assigned with this node. Okay, so what will be the statement for assigning this, for storing these addresses? So new node will be assigned in the tells next field. Okay, so this is the new node and its address will be stored in the current tells next node. Okay, now we have made all the connections, means both links are getting updated here. Okay, but now we have to make the new inserting node as tell, because this will be the new end of the doubly linked list. Okay, so now new node will get updated to tell node with this statement. So we'll copy new node into the tell node, or we will assign new node as a tell node. Okay, so here we have checked first whether the linked list is present or not, and if not, then what will be the changes we have to make in the addresses stored in the existing node as well as the newly inserted node. Okay, if you have any queries, then do comment, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.